Ashley Carter is our InDe, and as a new teacher, she's really helped me to just kind of walk through the curriculum maps and to get a good read on what we need to do for our students. She's helped us collaborate as a team, especially as a literacy team, and we get together and work through, and she does her homework and we do ours, and we get together and we plan what we're going to do for the next week or two with her. And she does everything that she can to help us. She goes and finds resources, she helps us find books in the book room, and I don't know what we'd do without her.
As a new teacher, the InDeS have been really helpful to me, especially in introducing technology into my classroom.
I had support in the classroom with number strategies, and it was pretty amazing. I got to see my students learning that I might not have seen otherwise.
My InDe has supported my instruction in my class and my instruction in intervention. With our intervention program, she's helped analyze what I'm doing in my small groups, give me resources to use, strategies to employ with them, and the impact is really going to be for my students to be able to comprehend the text better. She's also given me ideas and strategies for giving my students academic feedback.
When Ashley meets with us, we're two adults working together to find best practices for our classrooms here at John Adams. She doesn't add to the load, she lessens the load and gives us what we need to support us.
The instructional design specialist and I have worked together to create schedule options to optimize instructional time. We have also worked together to create math centers that deeply engage students in the learning process while incorporating new technology. Collaborating with our instructional design specialist has allowed me to make every minute of instructional time count.
Sarah has helped me in multiple ways in visiting my classroom often, making connections with my students, and helping me design an effective plan to optimize learning, and planning materials to help move students to proficiency. She has been an essential addition to our Roosevelt family.
Our InDeS, Amanda and Jessica, have been vital in our teacher planning sessions because they have an expanded knowledge of district and state expectations and goals, which help us in our backwards design.
The InDeS have helped us in third grade at Jackson, specifically with our new curriculum maps. With those being a new document for us, they've been just something different for us to learn and navigate our way through, and Ashley has been a great support to us in helping us locate materials needed to teach the curriculum that's on those maps, and just to help us with the pacing and things like that.
My instructional design specialist has supported me in numerous ways. As I oversee 5th grade Tier 1 RTI as the music teacher, that was an area I was definitely looking for support in. My instructional design specialist assisted me by introducing me to Google Classroom. And through working with Google Classroom, I was really able to supply the students with the specific feedback that they were needing to be challenged and to grow.
Some of the challenges I faced, which Sarah and Allison have helped me out a lot with this semester, is really learning how to be more of an English teacher and how to incorporate reading strategies into the science curriculum.
So the biggest problem that came out of our conversation was that I didn't have a lot of time, especially on review days. The problem was all 25 of my kids needed me for something different at the same time. And so as we talked about that, Allison suggested I could try to create some videos to solve the problems for the kids, and then I could post the videos and maybe they could all watch them. And it's kind of a modified version of a flipped classroom. And so with the videos being available to them, they could all watch a different video at the same time or the same video, and I could still walk around and help them. And now they're days that I really look forward to because the kids just get on their laptops or their phones even or their iPads, and they watch whatever video they need, and I can still come around and offer individual help where I can pull small groups. And so my time working with Allison has really helped improve not only my own teaching. My kids are now asking for the videos ahead of time. I have other math teachers in the school that are using the videos that I create. I even have students from other schools that found out that I was doing videos and they asked for access to these videos online.
and we've also learned more about collaboration. We're really good collaborators, but we wanted to go to the next step, and so she showed us how to get to the next level and be better.
The InDeS here at Jackson have helped us with collaboration during our weekly planning time and finding resources. In addition to that, the district InDeS have helped us in our district planning come up with new and creative ways and innovative ways of thinking about teaching differentiation.
From locating resources and brainstorming ideas to modeling lessons and setting up technology, there is nothing big or small that she isn't willing to tackle.
We are currently co-teaching 8th grade language arts, and they have really helped us by recording audio of the text that we are using in order to give the students more access to that text and help us to differentiate the instruction.
They send us an audio file, and then we're able to upload that to our Google Classroom, and then the students are able to access that audio version anytime they need help while they are working on their schoolwork.
My InDeS are helping me learn how to navigate Canvas and to implement Canvas in my classroom in a way that helps my students and then also helps me be a more efficient teacher.
I was very excited about the EdTech video for Spark. We have a problem in language sometimes that we want students to talk as much as possible, but it's hard to fit that in live in class time. So we like to have them record themselves. Spark was wonderful. The video showed us exactly how to do it. I popped on and made my own example for the students, and the very next week gave them a project where they had to talk about their family and use Spark to narrate it.
She's also helped me go and observe other teachers who may have wonderful ideas that I'm not utilizing in my classroom, and helps me figure out ways to implement that to work for my individual children.
I've been involved in the book study and discussion on The Innovator's Mindset by George Couros. We have a reading schedule that's put up on Canvas, and we have our discussion board on Canvas as well. And I've grown professionally from it. It has given me some great ideas on how to implement some innovative things in the library to help the students, our students, begin to explore and to become innovative thinkers. But another benefit from it has been being able to connect with faculty across disciplines. So it's been very encouraging to me and inspirational to me to be a part of a group and in a discussion with individuals who are also embracing change.